This video, I'm talking about your films getting screened for an event. So in today's time, it is a creator's market, and hence I really want to share what I know so that filmmakers can avoid being exploited. I understand that some filmmakers feel that exposure is an exchange for value, especially new filmmakers who are trying to get themselves out there. On the contrary, some seasoned filmmakers think that their old films are not valuable anymore since it was made many years ago. But both, in my opinion, it is not true. So many times we feel that since our films are already available online, so why matter, right? I'll be breaking this video down in 3 parts. 1. Usage. 2. Fees and terms. Number 3. Exposure. So let me share how much I've been paid by different organizations in separate occasions and usage. I was paid 200 Sing dollars for 2 of my short films to be screened in Esplanade. The license rights is for OOH and event. OOH which is out of home.